The people who are complaining about yung laki ng kaltas ng VA agencies are usually the people who are not able to get their own direct clients. Pero ito ngayon ang isang question na madalas hindi natin napapag-usapan. Bakit nga ba hindi na lang kumuha ng direct client itong mga VA na to? Alam nyo ba kung magkano ang bayad usually ng mga agencies, ng mga clients sa mga agencies? Because most of the time, etong mga VA agencies na to, isa sa mga kaya nilang gawin is to ask for premium pay. Ibig sabihin, mataas ang bayad ng mga clients. Paano ba nila nagagawa yon? Samantalang, ang gumagawa naman ng task is yung VA. Alam mo yun, there is this gap na I think we need to address. I'm not saying agencies are bad. I am not saying that the VA is not capable. What I am saying is, I think a lot of VAs do not realize the big gap between what the client pays and what made the agency worth paying that much. And we started this last week. I was answering a question dito sa TikTok. Naging sounding board namin ng Australian client ang isa't isa when it comes to this topic, this very specific topic. He agreed na he would be able to take on a few people for parang free career consultation just for the VA to be able to bridge yung gap na yon. Kasi most VAs do not realize yung real potential nila and if they are really able to do it na mag-direct. Now, there are people na hindi pa talaga kaya, hindi pa kayang mag-close ng sariling client, hindi pa kayang mag-discovery call, hindi pa marunong mag-sariling lead generation, and that is okay. It's a process, it's a journey. Pero kung matagal ka na at naiisip mo na sa sarili mo na feeling mo kaya mo na talaga, perhaps this is something that would benefit you. Again, we are only limiting this muna sa Australian kasi yung client is Australian. So if you have Australian or New Zealand clients, you work for an agency and you're kind of curious if kaya nyo na bang mag-direct and you wanna get free consultation, just comment VA consultation